Some of the following nets will make a box like a cereal packet. Which ones are they? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We want to know which one of them, when folded up, will make a box that looks a bit like a cereal box. Now, although this isn't the most specific answer, we know what a cereal box looks like. It looks something like this. It's a rectangle like this. A bit like this. A rectangular prism. One that has front faces that look a bit like narrow rectangles here. 4 large rectangular sides as well, that are these ones here. And then another 2 large sides that, although they are wide, they're also very long. So they're these ones here. So the first job is to find a net that has all of those shapes and has them in such a way that they'd fold together to make this prism in the end. Remember, we need 2 of each of these. We need 2 of our big green sides, 2 of our red sides, and 2 of those purple sides there. So let's look at our nets. In one, we do have a net that looks like it might be correct. We have 2 green sides here, what looks like one of the red sides here, and then 2 purple sides. But of course, we're missing one of these red sides. We need another one of these long, thin rectangles for this to fold up properly. So 1 does not fold into a cereal box. 2, well, looking at that, it has everything we need. We have our 2 purple faces, 2 green faces, and also 2 red faces. And they're all arranged in such a way that they would fold up. This whole corner would wrap around the box, and we would make a box that looks a lot like this. So 2 does indeed work. 3, again, has everything we're looking for. We have our red sides, our 2 green faces, like we'd want here, and then our 2 purple end ones. So 3 would also work. Looking at 4. 4 again has everything we're looking for. We have our 2 big green faces, our purple end things, and our long thin rectangles along the sides, and they would all fold up appropriately. So 4 works. Now looking at 5, seems to be a bit wrong. We actually have 3 of these big long faces, which is not right straight away. Although we do have our 2 purple faces, there is again only 1 of these red ones, so 5 doesn't work. So which faces do we have? We have 3, 2 also works, and 4. And let's look at our answers and see which one of those matches up, and you'll find that it is C. 2, 3, and 4 only will fold up to make a box like a cereal packet.